To assemble an internal DeepGroove shank, there are three parts. The shank, which has an elliptical neck and an integral blade. The clamp, and the insert. In this case, we're using a 2mm full radius insert. On the tool holder, putting on the clamp is the first step. There's a notch in the back that fits the fulcrum on the clamp. Those mate together, and that aligns the threaded hole. There's a flathead Torx drive screw. Leave the screw a little bit loose so that you can rock the clamp to position the insert. The tool holder has a V in the blade that lines up with the V on the insert. Slide the insert back so that the back end of the insert hits the step in the clamp, keeping your finger against the back of the clamp, and then finish tightening it. If you're happy with the position, confirm that the center of the finger is lined with the center of the insert and that we have a gap between the clamp and the blade, and that the back of the insert is touching the step in the clamp. That places the cutting edge of the insert on the center line of the tool holder shank, and now your tool is ready to be used.